Let's make 1 pot chicken macaroni. 1 cup macaroni. Half tsp salt. 1 tsp oil. Boil for 10 minutes. Drain the water. 2 tsp oil. 1 tsp garlic paste. 1 cup chicken. 1 tsp black pepper. 1 cup carrots. 1 cup capsicum. 1 cup cabbage. Don't skip video. Add macaroni. One tsp vinegar and chili sauce. 1 tsp soy sauce. 1 tsp black pepper again. Half tsp salt. 1 tsp soy sauce as per your taste. 1 tsp chili sauce. 2 tsp tomato ketchup. Cover lid for 5 minutes. Done.